Welcome to Folly English. My name is Joey. My name is Joey. And I am so excited today to be your teacher. How about you? What is your name? Oh, it's John. Hello, John. Nice to meet you, John. John, before we start, can you see teacher? Great job. How about can you hear teacher? Excellent. Okay, John, our topic for today is all about birds. Okay? Can only birds fly? Yes. Oh, what a nice guess, John. Okay, can you read this question for me, John? Say, can, that's correct. Only, yeah, that's correct. Birds, very good. And fly, nice work. Okay, very good. Can you read it a little bit faster? Can only birds fly? Go on, John. Try it on. Wow, very good. Okay, John. Now, what can you see in the picture, John? What can you see in the picture? Oh, a bird. Very good. Okay, this is a bird. Now, John, do you know what bird is that? Oh, you don't know what bird is that. Okay, listen, John. It's an owl. Owl. Say owl. Wow, very good. Because of that, teacher will give you a star. Yay! Okay, John. Now, let's start with our lesson. Okay, let's proceed to the next page. Okay. Oh, John, look. What can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? Oh, there are a lot of animals. Very good. Okay, now, John, what animals do you know? Oh, you didn't hear that. I said, what animals do you know? Oh, dog, cat, dinosaur. Wow, that's impressive. Okay. Now, John, can you tell teacher what animal is this? Oh, it's a monkey. Very good. What about this one, John? A tiger. Very good. This one, an animal with a long neck. Oh, it's a giraffe. That's impressive. What about this big guy over here? Yes, elephant. Very good. What about this one? You said this earlier. It's a dog. Very good. What about this one? Yes, it's a cat. And this one, this very cute. birdie birdie here? What do you call that? It's a penguin. Very good. What about this one? Here. It's a bird. Very good. Because of that, teacher will give you a snack. A burger. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, John, let's proceed with to the next page. Oh, John, look and say. Okay? Repeat after teacher. Hi there. Hi there. Are you a bird? Okay. Can you read it for me, John? Okay. Very good. What about this one, John? Repeat after teacher, okay? Okay. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Now, it's your turn, John. Okay, nice try, John. But can you do it again? Can you read it again? Okay. Owls are birds. Very good. Good job, John. Great job. High five. Okay. Now, John, let's proceed to the next page. Oh, look, John. What is that? A bird. Very good. What bird is that, John? It's an owl. Say owl. If it's only one, say owl. Owl. Very good. Now let's proceed to another picture. Oh, how many birds are there in the picture, John? Oh, there are two birds. Okay. How do you read this word? It's owls. Say owls. Okay. If there are two or more birds, we should put an S. It's called owls. Say owls. Okay. Say it again, John, please. Say owls. Very good. Because of that, teacher will give you a pasta. Wow. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Now, John, let's proceed to the next picture. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. That's the spirit. Oh, John, look. How many birds are there in the picture? Can you count it for me? Or can you circle them? Okay. Okay. Wow. That's great. Oh, another one. Yes. You found one. Oh, you circle all of them. Very good. Okay. Now, John, how many birds are there in the picture? Oh, there are four of them. Very good, John. Now, let's read the sentence. Say, owls are birds. Very good. Because of that, teacher will give you another star. Yay! Great job, John. You did great. Now, John, let's proceed to another page. Oh, John, let's drag and say. Oh, let's read first, John, the sentence given. Say, owls have got wings. It's your turn, John. Very good. Now, John, can you identify the three pictures below and choose only one pair of wings that belongs to the owl? Which one? Can you drag and put the wings on the owl, John? Yes, very good. Okay. Oh, the third one. Very good, John. Okay, John. Because of that, teacher will give you a hot dog. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, John. Let's proceed to another page. Oh, John, what can you see? What can you see in the picture? Oh, it's a bird. There is a flying bird. No? Can owls fly, John? Yes, very good. Okay, because of that, teacher will give you another star. Yay! Good job, John. Now, let's proceed to another page. Oh, look, look, and read, John. Let's say owls. Say owls. Very good. Now let's read. Owls are birds. Say, owls are birds. Very good. Next sentence. Say, owls have got wings. Very good. Last one, John. Owls can fly. Owls can fly. Yes, very good. Teacher will give you another star. Yay! Okay, John, good job. Now, let's proceed to another page. Oh, John, we're running out of time today. Thank you for your time and see you next time here at Poly English. Bye, John. See ya.